Hi, and welcome. If your child's school uses Orah, this video will help you get set up quickly. Orah is the platform your school uses to manage student attendance, passes, and communications. As a parent or guardian, you have your own account that lets you stay connected. You can see your child's schedule, request absences, respond to forms, and much more. Everything is done through the Orah Families app on your phone. Let's get you set up. Your school will send you an email inviting you to connect to your child's account. The subject line will say something like, "Connect to your child's name with Orah." Open that email and click Connect to My Child. This takes you to a sign-up page where you'll enter your first name, last name, and create a password. Check the box to agree to Orah's terms and privacy policy, then click Get Started. Your account is now created. If you already have an Orah account from another school or child, click I have an account instead. You can manage multiple children from a single account without creating separate logins. Once your account is created, download the Orah Families app on your phone. On Android, search for Orah for Families in the Google Play Store. On iPhone, find it in the App Store. Look for the purple Orah icon. That's the one. Download and install it. Once installed, open the app, enter your email address, tap Next, and sign in with the password you just created. Your account and your child's information will load automatically. Once you're in, this is your home screen. At the top, you'll see My Tasks. This shows anything the school is waiting on from you, like a form to fill in or an event response needed. Next to it is Requests, which shows the status of any passes or absences you've submitted. Below that is your Schedule, a calendar view of your child's upcoming activities, passes, and school events. At the bottom of the screen, you have 3 tabs. Home is where you are now. Family is where you can view your child's profile and records, and Me is where you manage your account settings. When you want to take any action, submit a pass, fill in a form, or respond to an event, tap the purple plus button at the bottom right. We'll cover all of that in the next video. Tap the Me tab at the bottom. Here you'll see your profile and 3 options. Account settings is where you can manage your notification preferences. Make sure notifications are turned on so you don't miss anything important from the school. You'll also find account security here if you ever need to update your password. The support option connects you to Orah's Help Center guide if you ever get stuck. And when you need to log out, tap Account Settings and then Log Out at the bottom. That's all there is to getting set up. In the next video, we'll walk through everything you can do in the app: requesting passes, submitting forms, responding to events, and checking your child's records.